Looks like the sticker is done for Bobby the Qooder. Sweet lah, guys. You can see lah from my cam. The sticker, this time I stick inside lah. You see outside somebody go langgar, I think they shifting stuff, right? Then kena paint. Come on, guys. What is this? Try to clean a bit lah, but that one is paint lah. So later when the things start peeling, they got problem. Anyway, not bad lah. The sticker stick so long. 1 year ago. And then 2023, stick one down here. Now also stick one. Okay, I plotted the route already. Actually, technically supposed to go backwards. Oh, my throat getting dry, man. So struggling to talk. Actually supposed to do U-turn lah. Actually supposed to do like this. Not that guy behind me. Do a U-turn. But open. I don't know how to. Okay, can. Just gotta go one round around. You just put the visor up for a while, so bear with the wind noise if there is. Because it's a really hot day here in Hat Yai. I forgot how hot this area is. It's compared. I want to say the earlier destinations all was hot. This one is really at the peak, man. Here the afternoon, only like 2:40 as expected, for half an hour for them to be done. Need to head to the hotel, man. Tipparika, which I chose about 5 km out. It's technically heading back from sort of lah where I came from, because the one I came from was from that side. See anywhere near there can makan also. Once I get all the stuff, the hotel, can go find somewhere to eat. Hopefully somewhere is nearby. For now I'm not too particular lah. Whatever it is also. Even yesterday like nasi goreng pun nasi goreng again lah. Simple and easy. Well, that's why there's some of this makan things also I never show much lah. Because it's about the same thing. Whatever is nice is nice. As long got food to eat, can already. Hope you all don't mind if when it comes to the food part, that one you all can go explore lah, see what you like, because that one is by preference, right? What food you prefer, because maybe it's not the food where I choose. Most likely is not the type where you will eat nasi goreng or what, or you like the seafood, then maybe you go to all the seafood places. Everywhere you go also have seafood, got western. Everywhere so far I went all okay lah. Like unless you go to the more secluded place, what Patani, all this, you can see lah. That time either got street food or luckily I managed to find the seafood place lah. So at least enjoy some solid seafood here in Thailand. Okay, going through the traffic area. Cannot turn left, so everybody's going straight into a jam. Luckily got building to block, so it may take some time. Actually can reach quite fast, but because of the traffic, right? Okay, luckily can still squeeze lah. Bobby is not too fat that cannot even squeeze at all. It's just that I've got all these cars that park only lah, that block the side roads. So gotta watch out this guy on my right, the sidecar. I don't know if I can just take a left and go to the main road, or should I wait 20 seconds? I think just wait 20 seconds. At least in front, take the left up front. Since it's only 17 seconds left. Might as well. You gotta watch out, this guy just reversing at the junction. Take his left. Forgot where was the place I stayed previously. Some don't know what Monco village or something like that. I forgot. Some go straight lah. Go up in front. Or the bikes are. Because it shows can go left also. Just zoom out and see. Yeah lah. Go from this way better. The main road there. Then head all the way to the hotel. The 4 km, but still quite a ways away. With all these traffic lights here in Hat Yai. Okay, finally getting some wind. Ooh. What a hot day, man. My arm until today lah, just sunburn. I don't have any. Can go to some chemist lah and get sunburn lotion. Never lah. We try and clear lah. No point trying to recover when keep on burning this part. That's why I'm trying to pull down the sleeve. Already burned the hand. Sunburn, rabak, down there got one nice line like a watch like that down there, like bangle, just nice at the hand down there. So every time like it feels like prickly and itching at the area. Super long this traffic light. Engine temps going up to the dot right, the red, but still okay. It has been maintaining like this so far. See, then just as I move only, the thing will go down. So should not be a problem. Take this right. Okay, we just can move a bit. Hopefully normal traffic lights from the view now. You can see it's just all this cross junction where all the vehicles will just cut through. So just relax and ride lah. And watch out for oncoming vehicles. No point traveling until like that all the way. Then after that, accident here and there. Alamak, problem lah. Well, I say still got time lah. Now it's coming to 3 o'clock. Just nice to check in. Unload stuff and go find some makan. Anyway, don't need to rest so much for this one. Because it was just a short ride. It's just tired from the heat lah down here. Aiyo. That's why if you notice my jacket, the riding jacket also never wear lah all the way. No, I'll be drenched in sweat. It's a water loss. After that. This one got the wind. Probably maybe get like a arm sleeve lah. Suggestion. Get those type where got all the way to the fingers one. And then goes down your forearm. At least cover up the t-shirt. The t-shirt and the glove. The separation there. Okay, this one is a bit out of the thing. Okay, wait. I got to take a left. The next one, which will cut through. This is a pizza company. Interesting. Can even come. I tell you, down here all got a lot of place. Can go and explore. Pizza also got. Seafood and Thai food also got. Hat Yai no problem lah. Okay, so let's come in also. So wide distance. Now I'm the one going to cross, so it's going to take some time. Because it's depending on this motorbike guy. Okay, yes, finally move. The area seems clear. Then got one truck. But lucky Bobby can pick up lah. Can pump out. This is more towards the outer side lah of the city area. And Hat Yai. You see there's some kind of a river from the map, but I don't know what river is that. We'll go explore all first, then to close shop of Hat Yai. End of the day, then I will go to the petrol station lah. Okay, drop the visor a bit so you can hear properly this time. Since not so much stops on this one from traffic lights. Got a few stickers lah. Got the bigger one at the front, smaller one for the back, and then got some Hat Yai stickers also. Bumpy this road, bouncing up and down. 500 meters to go to Tipparika Hotel. Check-in time is about 2 o'clock like that. So it's more enough time now. Oh, so you have to go down this bridge. Oh, an interesting bridge this one, huh? Railway bridge. We're heading here. Oops, watch out for this gravel shit at the side. See, got deliveries. If all else fails, right? This one Hat Yai, no need to worry. Send for delivery. Okay, let me just put up the visor. See my location. Tipparika, there we are. Alright. Riverview Hotel here at Tipparika. I go inside and see the reception is at where I believe is at the left. Yep, let me go do the check-in process first. I'll be back on the camp here at Tipparika. Okay, let's do the check-in. Yeah, quite straightforward, very simple. I just show passport. And you can see just in front there is the parking lah. Right here. In front. And then my hut is somewhere down there. Wait, let me just navigate through this rocky things. Okay, slightly I will have to I have to get down to push. This gravel is still easy to maneuver. Okay, Bobby is secure under a shade, which is very good. Okay, switch to the phone cam and show you the room. Okay, Bobby is under the shade, safety, and I won't be in a while because I'm going to the heat again. So welcome to Tipparika Riverview. I believe the river is over there. There's the reception where there's the pool. You can go and take a dip in this hot weather. I said mine is a number 3, but I have no idea which is number 3. Probably is this one lah. Because following from my key, it's number 3. So that's the name for it, but I assume it's this one. Let me just try and see if it's the right one. Yes, worked. Okay, so this is the room. Show you the room a bit. So difficult to push the bottom part. Put the key card. My lights don't seem to on. Curious. Probably another switch somewhere. Let's try. Yep, I got this switch. And there's this one more light which is over here. Let me just switch on all the lights first. Yep. So as you can see, above the bed there's no lights. Okay, go back again. Patah balik. Okay, lights on. You can see the bed. One big bed. It's me. There's entertainment. There's a chair. Check out the toilet. Side. Right. Right here. Quite a big toilet here. Okay, not bad. Got a bowl and just a shower. And a glass. Okay, let's close the door a bit. Get some. Then there's your wardrobe area. Don't forget. Go hang out your clothes. Dry. Some water. And let me go check out. This is Tipparika Riverview, and you can see, not bad. Unlock this thing. Oh, sorry. Open is this way. There, you can see. Alright. So this is it. Tipparika Riverview of the river here in Hat Yai. Then got somebody cutting trees at the other side. So a bit noisy lah. Okay, gonna go pack my stuff, chill out here outside, and enjoy the rest of the day here in Hat Yai. Yes, even there's a nice dock over here, man. You can go sit down there and chill out.